How to create Bank of America account online. First, go to google.com on your PC or mobile phone and search for Bank of America. The first result will be the official website, bankofamerica.com, so click on it. Once on the page, you'll see the sign-in option if you already have an account. But if not, there is a button that says Open an Account. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose what type of account you want to open, such as checking, savings, credit cards, or home loans. For example, if you choose a checking and savings account, click Get Started, and you'll be directed to a new page to enter your information. You can select from options like Balance Advantage Plus and continue with the registration process by entering your zip code, security number, and ID. Follow the steps and click Next until you complete the registration and successfully open your account. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.